Pushing along. I've got only a few pieces of trim left. I think the two big things I need to worry about now. Headliner, breaks my heart to take it out because it's damn near perfect. And this old dash, which I'm not super uber concerned with, because that's the 69 dash with this pillow front for safety. I'm actually, because I'm gonna go with the earlier one. Like this is like a 67, so it's got this cool like valence thing going on, in the finish is this black crackle stuff. It's like that paint that gets sort of squinches up, and I gather that it was chosen because it was the same kind of thing you'd find in British fighter planes and stuff. That was the thing that wanted to have that like real, you know, power speed thing going on. I like it. There is my engine hoist. I haven't done much up here. I don't think. No, this is all just the same. I've got to box all this crap up, and I'm redoing the storage over there. And I've got to resort all my tools. I found a guy on the other end of the bottom part of the state who's got, he's got some professionally redone original seats, black with white piping, and he's got the door cards and the caps and everything, and a new back hatch. He's got a new back hatch. The guy was just on Facebook Marketplace. So he's actually, I'm going to give him another $100 and he's going to drive him all the way up here. It was his idea. And then I won't have to worry about finding, you know, something to replace this, because that fell into my lap. Kind of nice. You can see the yeah, the bad one's over here. You can see it's rusted right through the floor over there. But I've seen way worse. Oh my gosh, I've seen so much worse. I found the Porsche 912 on Facebook. Somebody one town over hauled it out of the woods. And I was looking at the pictures of the thing, and it looked really cool. But they had one through the open door. And my first thought was that the guy had artificial turf for floor mats. But it was actually because the entire floor mat area was gone, and you were seeing the grass. I mean, all told, I mean, looking at a lot of these other videos of, like, you know, guys taking cars that are pretty rusty and being like, yeah, it's okay. This one really isn't that bad. The very, very, very worst of it was this. And that thing 100% rusted out, because this thing rusted out because the seals here were bad, and it was sat in the forest for 32 years. And that's the story. So that really was the worst. This whole thing was just eaten away. I think I actually still have, no, I dumped it. I have the old rusted floor, and it's about 60% remaining. Those are the old rebound straps. My plan now is I'm going to have to drop I'm going to drop that drive shaft there all the way up to the front, and basically start on the final process of getting ready to pull that engine. Because once the engine's pulled, and I get other miscellaneous doodads off this, I'm going to have this thing stripped. It's going to be awesome. It's going to look really, really nice. Trying to think if there's anything else to show and tell about. I don't think so. I don't think so. Not yet. But at least we are moving forward. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, I mean, this thing turns over well. I'm still pretty amazed at the top end, the condition of the top end. I mean, I think that looks great to me. I'm still going to go through everything, you know, do the gaskets and look at stuff. But I hope, man, I hope that my surfaces and everything are good. We'll find out. I mean, for me, it started third try. Boom. it wanted to run, but it's just, it needs to be taken out and everything needs to be redone, and then it will be schmossum. Okay, well, I think that's about it for right now. Not much else going on. Okay.